Hello guys, here's what you will need. Chili powder, black pepper powder, salt, gorica, curry leaves, water, tuna fish. First, clean the tuna by removing any bones and washing it with salt until it's free of blood and completely clean. Next, grab your clay pot. It really enhances the flavor. Add the cleaned tuna, chili powder, black pepper, salt, gorica, curry leaves, water. Mix everything well, either by gently. Now place the clay pot on the stove over high heat. Let it come to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, give it a gentle stir, then reduce the heat. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 45 to 50 minutes. While the curry is cooking, let's prepare the milk rice. For this, we'll need grated coconut, rice, water, salt. Soak and clean the rice thoroughly. Then take the grated coconut, add half of the water into a blender. And blend well to extract the first thick coconut milk, strain and set it aside. Now blend the same coconut again with the remaining water to extract the second lighter coconut milk. Strain and Add the rice to a pot and pour in the second coconut milk along with the salt. Cook on low to medium heat until the rice absorbs the liquid and becomes tender. Once the rice has absorbed the liquid, gradually add the thick coconut milk. Cover the pot. Let it cook until the rice becomes sticky. It should be firm enough to shape. Now, let's give this meal an extra kick with some spicily made sambal. Here's what you will need: Maldives fish, onion, chili flakes, lime juice, black pepper, salt, kochi chili. First, chop the onion. Vacuum, water and pestle. Add the chopped onion, then start smashing it with the kochi chili to bring out the flavors. And continue smashing until you get a chunky paste. Next, add the molded fish and mix it in well. Finally, pour in the lime juice and stir until everything is combined. Now that everything's ready, let's shape the milk rice. Place a banana leaf or aluminium foil on a flat surface. Add the milk rice on top of and shape it as you like. To make it easier to cut, add a bit of coconut milk to your knife to prevent sticking, and slice the rice into pieces. It's time to plate our meal.